The first thing that we have to do is install the rubber piece onto the metal strap adapter. You'll see that there's two rubber pieces that are supplied with each strap adapter kit. One is used on the right foot for regular riders, while the other is for the left foot binding of goofy riders. You'll see that each rubber piece has two sides, one flat and one slanted. The slanted surface should face the binding, and as we had this custom made to perfectly match the angle of the step-on binding. On the other side, which is the flat side, will mate with the metal strap adapter. You'll see there are two letters on the flat surface. The L indicates that it is made for the left foot, so a regular rider should use this piece. Then the other piece has an R indicated, which means that it's made for goofy riders' right foot binding. When installing the rubber piece, make sure that the letter is pointing down towards the ground. When you receive the product, we've already put on the 3M double-sided tape on the flat surface for ease of installation. The tape actually covers the indicator letters, but all you have to do is just peel off the stickers a little bit to reveal the letter.